Welcome to a new episode, which I believe you must have heard about Samsung phone maintenance mode. So with the maintenance mode, Samsung phone is going to hide all your personal settings, pictures and application on your Samsung phone. And this is best whenever you want to give your Samsung phone to a third party or you're planning to repair your Samsung phone. However, to know that your Samsung phone is in maintenance mode, you should say maintenance mode at the bottom left here. You see this is maintenance mode, and only pre-installed application will be available on your Samsung device. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to exit or turn off Samsung phone maintenance mode. To do this, you may just want to go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on device care. Then scroll down and see your phone is in maintenance mode. Click on maintenance mode. Here, you just need to click on the exit button. However, if you don't want to go this far, before you can exit the maintenance mode on your Samsung phone, you just need to scroll down and tap here to exit maintenance mode. So if you click on this, you'll be taken to this page on your Samsung phone settings. Then to exit the maintenance mode, you need to do is tap exit. Then once you click on the exit button, you'll be prompted to restart your Samsung phone to exit maintenance mode on your device. To exit the maintenance mode, then click on restart. There you go. Then you need to confirm either using your fingerprint or Face ID. Mark you, unknown users cannot complete this process because Samsung believes that you put on your Samsung phone in maintenance mode because you want to protect your privacy and you want to secure everything you have on your Samsung device. Now with this, once you are done, go ahead and type in your PIN, then hit the continue button. Once you hit the continue button, your Samsung phone will restart automatically and then will put back all your applications, your pictures, and all your predefined settings different from the Samsung phone default settings. So this might take a couple of seconds before your Samsung phone will come up to exit the maintenance mode. And once your Samsung phone exited the maintenance mode, you should see your Samsung phone come up normally and all other information you have on your Samsung phone before you entered into the maintenance mode will be added back to your Samsung phone. There you go. You can see my Samsung phone is restarted. So if I swipe up, then use my passcode, then click on OK. Phone is starting. After the phone has started completely, my Samsung phone will set up my normal application, my normal settings, and I will have access to all the application I downloaded and installed on my Samsung phone. And I will also have access to all my pictures, contacts on my Samsung device. So if this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.